You hear it, baby? Revving up. Time to go to work. Alright, I've been letting that Red Max run for a minute because it's cold today, fellas. Right now I'm out here, it's right about 38 degrees, but we about to get it in. We got a leaf cleanup. So, gonna get this thing cleaned up, man. Get you some nice footage. And show you how we doing in the fall. No, we got no pickup on this. She just wants it cut up, mulched up. And I'm also gonna do the other house over there on that side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blow all this stuff, get all that from behind her and stuff, get all that over. All right, guys, you see what it look like. Low plates, so that way I'm out here cutting, I don't get stuck in a ditch or nothing. This is my first time doing this one. You know, guys, I usually don't do show you guys a video on my first time doing one, but this is a nice size property. And I want you guys to see what it look like, because I really want to get this thing for the spring. This will be a nice one to have. And also, I know you guys seen in the video, the guy came up to me and asked me to check out the other ones. I need to get some leaves back here right here. All right, guys, now all I did was get the leaves out of the corners and the hard low plates. So that way, I'm out here cutting, I don't get stuck in a ditch or nothing. This is my first time doing this one. You know, guys, I usually don't do show you guys a video on my first time doing one, but it's a nice size property. And I want you guys to see what it look like, because I really want to get this thing for the spring. To be a nice one to have. And also, I know you guys seen in the video, the guy came up to me and asked me to check out the other ones. I need to get some leaves back here and right here on that side, and then I'm gonna get to cutting. Finally got it done. Little scraggles here and there, but I feel like it looks pretty good. A lot of leaves out here first, fellas. Like I said, some little scraggles here and there. But guys, I'm telling you, I've had like, I updated my Google. See, I got all behind there. By me updating my Google, I probably had 6 leaf jobs caught me. And out of those 6, I've landed 4. So that's pretty good to me. See, I got it looking good. See all behind there. Get all down there. Got knocked out. Side over here cleaned up. There you go, knocked out. One man show. Give it to you guys in just a second when I get back in this. All right, guys, that's a wrap for that today. Got done with them leaf jobs, and see no trimmers on there today. No trimmers, no little small mower either, but got done with that job, man, and hopefully I get the church job across the street. Hopefully I can land that, man. And it's cold, man. It's like 37 degrees here, 38 degrees. So I'm gonna get these mowers put up, man. I'm out of here. Check me out in the next one. Boneyard Lawn.
Start smoking.